Welcome to Compare to Win. The best snow cone machine is probably one of the most exciting additions to any summer gathering or party, allowing you to bring the fun of a carnival right into your own home and create delicious, icy treats that everyone will love, from kids to adults, making it a perfect way to beat the heat and add a touch of nostalgia to your day with customizable flavors and toppings. Number 5. Nostalgia Retro Red Snow Cone Shaved Ice Machine. Introducing the Nostalgia Retro Red Snow Cone Shaved Ice Machine. It's a fun and easy way to create delicious icy treats for any occasion. This machine is perfect for parties and gatherings, capable of making up to 20 refreshing shaved ice treats. Equipped with precision-cut stainless steel blades, it quickly and efficiently shaves ice into fluffy, snow-like consistency. Its compact size fits perfectly on your kitchen counter or a small side table, making it convenient to serve snow cones anywhere. Safety is a priority with a built-in switch to keep hands safe during operation. Enjoy making fun treats with ease. It works perfectly with all Nostalgia snow cone kits, syrups, and cups, offering a complete experience for creating your favorite flavors. What we like. This machine brings a touch of vintage charm to any gathering. Its compact size makes it ideal for small spaces. If you love a classic aesthetic and want a safe, easy-to-use option for casual get-togethers, this is the one for you. What people say. This snow cone machine is easy to use and makes great snow cones. It's small and compact, perfect for small kitchens. The machine is durable and well-made. Number 4. Hawaiian Shaved Ice Machine Kit S900A. Create fluffy shaved ice right in your kitchen with this electric machine. It's perfect for making margaritas, slushies, iced coffee, and any frozen treat you can imagine, giving you your own at-home icy treat station. This kit comes with the machine and all the accessories to get started. You'll receive 3 delicious syrup flavors, cups, spoon straws, pourers, and ice molds for endless fun. You can use regular ice cubes, bagged ice, or even make your own ice blocks. Keep a bag of ice cubes handy for those spontaneous snow cone cravings. Operating and cleaning this machine is a breeze. It's also portable and easy to store when not in use, making it a convenient addition to your kitchen. Our syrups are made with your well-being in mind, being free from common allergens like nuts, soy, wheat, dairy, starch, flour, and egg products. They are shelf-stable and don't require refrigeration. Beyond shaved ice, these syrups add a delightful twist to cocktails, sodas, coffee, and more. Explore a variety of options to enhance nearly any beverage or frozen treat. What we like. This option is perfect for those who want everything they need to get started right away. The included syrups are allergy-friendly, making them a great choice for a wider range of guests. If you're looking for a hassle-free, inclusive party starter that can also enhance your cocktails, consider this. What people say. It's a great little machine for home use, perfect for parties and family fun. Easy to assemble and operate, making snow cones in minutes. Comes with accessories like cups and spoons, adding to the convenience. Number 3. VIVOHOME Electric Ice Shaver. Experience lightning-fast ice shaving with our powerful machine. It effortlessly crushes up to 143 pounds of ice per hour, perfect for any occasion. You can even customize the ice texture to your exact preference. Enjoy a clean experience with our upgraded splash-free design. Ice flows smoothly into the bowl, keeping your countertop spotless. It's designed for easy and efficient ice collection. Crafted from food-grade stainless steel, this machine ensures hygiene and safety. It's ETL listed, guaranteeing top-notch quality and reliability for long-lasting use. Operating this device is simple and safe, even with wet hands, thanks to its water-resistant switch. It also features an auto-stop function for added protection. Its stable, heavy-duty base minimizes vibration for a smooth operation. The sleek design complements any setting, making it ideal for homes, cafes, and events. Whether for home use, a bustling cafe, or a professional catering event, this versatile machine is your go-to for refreshing shaved ice creations. What we like. For those who need speed and reliability, this machine is a powerhouse. Its high-volume output and splash-free operation mean less mess and more treats. If you're hosting larger events, running a small business, or simply want the fastest, cleanest experience, this is your top pick. What people say. It is very easy to use and clean. It works great and makes perfect snow cones. The machine is powerful and shaves ice quickly. Number 2. Hawaiian Shaved Ice S700 Electric Snow Cone Machine. Bring the fun of shaved ice right into your kitchen with this kid-friendly electric machine. It's perfect for creating all sorts of frozen treats, from slushies to iced coffees, giving you your own personal icy treat station. This countertop snow cone maker is designed for simplicity. It's incredibly easy to operate and just as simple to clean up afterwards, making treat making a breeze. You can use either homemade cube ice or store-bought bagged ice cubes. This machine is designed to work with standard ice, offering flexibility for your convenience. Prepare delicious, perfectly chewable shaved ice quickly for sleepovers, pool parties, birthdays, and any family or friend get-together. It's a guaranteed hit for any occasion. Give your blender a break and explore endless possibilities. Add a new twist to cocktails, flavor your favorite drinks, or create Italian sodas and smoothies with this versatile machine. It stores conveniently away when not in use, fitting easily under the counter or in a cabinet. Plus, our syrups are allergy-friendly, free from common allergens, and don't require refrigeration. What we like. This machine is designed with families in mind, making it incredibly easy for anyone to use. Its small footprint means it's perfect for smaller kitchens or occasional use. If you're looking for a simple, safe, and fun way to make treats for kids' parties or family movie nights, this is an excellent choice. What people say. This snow cone machine is easy to use and makes perfect snow cones every time. It's compact and doesn't take up much counter space, which is great for my small kitchen. The motor is powerful enough to crush ice quickly, so you don't have to wait long for your treat. Number 1. Nostalgia Retro Red Snow Cone Shaved Ice Machine. Introducing the Nostalgia Snow Cone Shaved Ice Machine in a vibrant retro red. It's designed to bring fun and delicious icy treats to any occasion. This machine is capable of making up to 20 refreshing icy treats, perfect for sharing with friends and family at your next gathering. Equipped with precision-cut stainless steel blades, it efficiently shaves ice cubes into fluffy, snow-like consistency. Enjoy perfectly textured shaved ice every time. It's a fantastic addition to birthday parties, BBQs, or any get-together. This machine makes creating fun, icy desserts incredibly easy for everyone to enjoy. Its perfect size fits conveniently on your countertop or a side table, allowing you to serve snow cones anywhere. For added safety, it features a built-in switch for the shaving mechanism. Enhance your experience by using it with all Nostalgia snow cone kits, including syrups and cups. It's designed to work perfectly with our range of accessories. What we like. This machine offers a delightful retro aesthetic that's sure to be a conversation starter. It's perfectly sized to fit on your counter without taking up too much space. If you appreciate vintage style and want a straightforward, safe way to create icy treats for parties and family fun, this is a fantastic option. What people say. This snow cone machine is easy to use and makes fluffy snow. It's great for parties and kids love it. The machine is compact and doesn't take up much counter space. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.